got the ball.
4 hours is like longer than 3 hours. Genius. Smart thinking. Thanks for letting me know. And we thought Einstein was dead. Easy. Lol. Noob. So easy. Cry kid. Easy. Easy. Toxic. Show your beep beep up. How the hell do I talk to people? Stand in front of them and press A. I would like to ask you out, but you think I'm ugly. Who told you I think you're ugly? You don't think I am? I did. I just want to know who told you. Yo, I'm not saying that! Why do you want me to call you that? I see why they call you that now. Okay, bye guys. That was the end of the video. Tomorrow, I'll make some more. Smell it while looking at a screen. I can smell it. Never mind, it's my laptop burning. Hi, I am the real Fortnite account. Your account will be suspended unless you show me a beep picture. Please? Where is your report card? My friends stole it from me at school, so now I don't have it. Do you think I'm that stupid to believe that lie? What lie? That you have friends. How old are you? 18 years? No, second. Wait a minute, doctor is cutting umbilical cord.
Oh my Fogle or Pinsel, check out this object show I made. I love it so much.
Oh, okay. Yes, I hate gnomes.
Okay.
Oh, whoops. Was Double sitting here?
Yeah, she was. Why would you do that?
Oh, and
Well,
want to battle for an epic prize?
what?
Okay, perfect. Hey.
Let's do cake at steak. Okay, TV, display the votes. Okay, so how to kill a stickman? Wait, what? I said, wait, how are you talking? Because I'm a stickman. Well, I'm gonna erase you now. You can if you catch me. What just happened? Ow. Yeah, I know.